we'd like to include this song from Creedence Clearwater Revival, 1970. Please play along tonight anytime you wish.
Yeah, I'm a little difficult because I can see. I'm an old guy, I don't remember the words.
Told me long ago, there's a calm before the storm. I know